Hey there, Chris McCarthy here with Brand Identified, and today I'm going to walk you through the 10 questions that as a business owner you need to answer when you're going to go ahead and create a strategy to design your logos, your icons, and the graphic marks for your brand. Now, this is one of the services that we offer over at Brand Identified under Design and Build. If you scroll down and look at our visual identity systems, we have this service right here for logo, icons, and graphic marks. Now, you're able to click on the More Info button, and this is going to pull up another page where you can go ahead and get a free audit of your logo, icons, and graphic marks, and then also get a custom assessment. Now, if you were to click on this free audit, it's going to ask you a series of questions where you can go ahead and audit your current strategy. So if you were to happen to go down here and just answer all of these questions, and basically you're just rating yourself kind of as a good, excellent, average, fair, and poor. Just answer this series of these 10 questions first, and it's going to give you kind of an overview and an audit of your current logo strategy. And then once you click on Run Your Audit, it's going to give you a breakdown. So currently, how I assessed myself right now, I'm at a 35 of 50, and it gives you a color-coded sequence right here. So basically, anything that's in green, you're doing pretty well on that. You probably don't have to make any adjustments to that. Anything in yellow or orange needs to be, addressed, and then anything here in red, I didn't select any of those on those, but that'd be poor. Anything you see in red needs to be addressed because that is a critical issue. Once again, then you can click on get a full assessment based on that as well. But what I wanted to go over today is actually accessing those 10 questions and then using AI to be able to build out a step-by-step sequence for your own strategy. So what you would have to do is go over to BrandOptimizer.AI or search for the custom GPT over in ChatGPT for Brand Optimizer. And this is a custom GPT that's been built out on the knowledge base of Brand Identified. Working with hundreds of clients over the past 25 years, we've gathered a lot of data. And these are the exact 10 questions that we ask all of our clients when they come to us and ask for us to build out this strategy for them. So you would launch the custom GPT, and then it's going to load you into this over at ChatGPT. So I'm making sure that you're not just dumping this into the generic ChatGPT interface or any other type of open AI interface like Claude, because that's not pulling from the Brand Identified database and knowledge base. So you want to make sure you're in here. Then all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and prompt it with this prompt to pull up those 10 questions. So it's going to be, give me the 10 brand identified framework questions for logo, icons, and graphic marks. So here are the 10 questions right now. So look, number 1, what do you want your logo to communicate at a glance? Number 2, is your current logo memorable or distinctive or easily confused with others? Question number 3, does your logo function well in different sizes and contexts? Number 4, have you created supporting marks like icons, sublogos, or monograms? So these are the 10 questions that we've identified as the most important questions that you need to ask when you're defining this logo and graphic mark and icon strategy for your business. And then what we've done is we've actually linked it off to, once again, that audit tool that I showed you earlier. And then also there's the assessment tool as well. So you can link off back to the Brand Identified website to do that audit tool or get a custom assessment. Or if you have the ability, you can go ahead and just continue to prompt this custom GPT with answers from these 10 questions, and it's going to build out your own step-by-step strategy. So head over to BrandOptimizer.AI, plug in that prompt of give me the 10 brand identified framework questions for logos, icons, and graphic marks, and start building out your own strategy today.